Just a quick tip if your car doesn't. Light up the brake light. This applies to any car you've changed the bolts, but still won't light, then test it. This here how to test this. Test use a multimeter. Put it on the continuity scale, then go here. Take the test lead and place it here. One side to the other and do this if. It beeps continuity is good. If you press the side will turn off, pressed it doesn't make any sound, but if it beeped, if both ends on the two pins, it must make that sound. Sound if not, it's faulty.